Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the red hydrogen. If you have one of these and it has a pattern or a password and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you do delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So if you want to see something special, just drop a comment and we'll try to get to that sooner than later. But we have a ton more of these coming up. This is a really cool phone. This is one of the first gaming phones that ever came out with the Hydrogen. Kind of bulky, big fan of it, but enough about that. Let's just get into this hard reset real quick. Want to make sure the phone's off, and in this case it is. And then you have your volume up, volume down, and power. And the trick with this phone is you can actually get it into hard reset whether you hold volume up or volume down. It doesn't really matter, but there's just one little extra step you have to do. I'm going to show you by holding volume down, and so I'm going to start holding volume down, and I'm going to hit power. Keep holding both buttons until the screen shuts off, and then let go of power, but keep holding volume down. So as soon as it's off, I let go of power, but I'm still holding volume down, and it got me to this the bootloader. From here, you want to use the volume buttons to scroll, the power buttons to select, and I want to get to recovery mode, hit the power button. And when you get this no command screen, what you want to do is hold power and tap volume up and let go really quick. You just want to let go relatively fast so it doesn't trigger that reboot by mistake. From here, you want to use the volume buttons to navigate. So we want to navigate down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button to confirm, and confirm again. So now it's wiping. Now it's done. So now we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. Sometimes you gotta push these buttons a little bit harder than normal. But that is how we do a hard reset on a red hydrogen. If you guys hit reboot now, it will just reboot to the welcome screen, and you can navigate the phone back to the home screen and set it up how it was when it was new. But I really hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.